This is a tough workbook. Oh my.
I can help you.
Oh, thank you.
Hello everybody, these are pages 58 and 59 of the Let's Go 3 workbook, and these are the Let's Learn pages. We're going to do part A, which just says match. So we have 6 weather pictures here, and underneath we have 6 weather words, and we're going to draw lines to match them. And in your student books, the weather pictures looked like this.
Sunny.
Rainy.
Cloudy.
Snowy.
Breezy. Stormy.
Chilly. Foggy.
Okay, let's try. I'm going to use the words to help me, and the first word is stormy. So I need to find lightning and wind and clouds, and it's right here. Here's the lightning. That is stormy weather. Next, it is rainy, so I need to find some rain. Here is the rain, and she has an umbrella, so I know that is rainy. It's rainy. Next, we have chilly, and that means a little bit cold. And I don't think it's this. This is snowy. I think it's this one, because he is rubbing his shoulders, and he's saying, brrr. The next one is foggy, so I need some foggy clouds, which are right here. It's foggy. And the next one is sunny. That's sunny. Okay, it's sunny. And the last one is snowy. This picture is snowy, even though the snow looks like delicious popcorn. It's snowy. Part A is all done. Okay, this is part B, and it says write. So we're gonna look at these 2 pictures and then tell about the weather on Sunday. And then we're gonna tell about the weather today. So I think that we have to remember which one is past tense and which one is now. And let's just take a quick break to remember what past tense means.
Hi, everybody. I guess I'm going to talk to you about the past tense and the present tense today. So, first, right now, if I look up here, I'll grab my pointer. Hold on. Whee! Okay, and now I'm ready to be a teacher. If I look at the calendar, today's Monday, February 13th, 2023, and the time. Hold on. And right now it's a quarter to 11. So that's the time now. So now means at this time, or it can be all the time. That's the present tense. Present tense means now. Okay, but some things are already done. They happened. They finished, yeah. So those things are not the present. That is the past. So let's look at the calendar. And if it is Monday now, that means that yesterday was Sunday. So Sunday is in the past. And if I go 2 days back, then Saturday was in the past, and Friday and Thursday, all of those days are done. So those days are in the past. Past means before now. Okay, now what about the year? Right now it's 2023, but what about 2022? Is that present or past? Past, because it's done, it's finished, it's over. What about 2005? Is that present or past? Past. Good, because it's done. Okay, good job. Just remember, present means now or all the time, and past means before now. And we have to use different words for them. Okay, good lesson. Thank you for listening to me. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's make some sentences. In your textbooks, the sentence pattern looked like this. Okay, and we're ready to try. If it's the past tense, which is on Sunday, we're going to use was, which is the past tense for is. And if it's about today, we're going to use is. But since we're talking about weather, we can say it is or it's. I can't make it was shorter. We have to write it was. Let's do yesterday first. So here we go. First one. It was sunny yesterday. Okay, here's the sun. So it was sunny yesterday. Okay, let's cross off sunny. I know it's done. And look at the picture. What else was it? We have to find two more. Rainy? No. Snowy? Yes. There is our wonderful popcorn snow from part A. So we can say it. And then this is on Sunday, so yesterday. So should we say it is or it was? Good, we should say it was because it's before now, it's in the past tense. It was snowy yesterday. It was sunny yesterday and it was snowy yesterday. That's kind of weird. Let's cross off snowy. We need one more. Rainy? No. Stormy? I don't think so. I don't see any storm clouds here. Breezy? Yes, definitely breezy. If you look at the tree, the wind's blowing in the tree. So let's use breezy. It means a little bit of wind. It, and what should we say here? It is or it was? Good, we should say was because it's yesterday. It's before now. And was is for before now. It was breezy yesterday. Period. Okay, and that's done. Let's cross off that one. All right, now let's do, cross off breezy. Let's do 4, 5, and 6. And they are about today. So all of them are going to say it's or it is. It's rainy today. There's the rain. Big raindrops. Okay, we have stormy. Was it stormy? Yep, here's lightning. So we can say it's or it is because it's now. It's stormy today. And last one, cloudy. Here are the clouds. So let's do the last one. It's cloudy today. And part B is done. Okay, this is part C, and part C just says write. So we're going to write questions and answers about the pictures. So for each set of pictures, there's one question on the top and then one on the bottom, and it's going to be the same each time. So even though there are lots of lines, don't get confused, don't worry, we can get through it together. And in your student books, this question and answer pattern just looked like this. Okay, let's try it. It's going to be really important for this one that we look carefully at the questions and think about past tense or if it's present tense. So always the past tense is in the left picture, and this one is going to be the present tense or now because it says today. So whenever we see was or past tense, we'll look at this picture. And whenever we see how's or how is, which is now, we'll look at the today picture. Okay, let's start. Number 1, how was the weather on Monday? Here's Monday, and it says was, so it was snowy. More popcorn snow. It was snowy. Period. And then instead of going here, we have to go down. How's the weather today? Here's today. Look at all of these clouds. So we're going to write it's instead of it was, because is the present tense for was. It's cloudy. Done. Number 2, how was the weather on Wednesday? The weather becomes it. Was, because it's before now. And where's Wednesday? This one. I think we can do probably cloudy? Or is this rainy? Maybe this is rainy. I guess this is rain. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put rainy. Cloudy would be okay too. It's not a great picture. Let's say rainy. It was rainy, period. And then go down. How's the weather today? Here's today. So again, it for the weather. And instead of was, we'll say is. We'll just say apostrophe s. It's sunny. Lots of sun. Okay, number 3. Let's do the past tense question first. So that starts with how. How was the weather? This is Tuesday, so on Tuesday. Ooh, tight. Ooh, I fit it. Right, be careful of your spacing. And because it's past tense, we'll still say it. For the weather, we'll use was, matching the question. It was. Look at these little leaves blowing away. Breezy. It's a little bit windy. Breezy. Okay, go down. How's the weather today? Here's today. And look at this. There is some fog around the trees. So because it's today, we'll say it's foggy. G-G-Y. Period's already there for this one. Number 4. How? This is going to be the same as the other ones. How was the weather? How was the weather? How was the weather? How was the weather on today? Nope. Friday. Big F-R-I-D-A-Y. That spells Friday with a question mark. And again, the weather becomes it. So it matching was. It was. Look at that lightning. So it was stormy. It was stormy, period. Last one. How's the weather today? Well, here's today. So we can say it is or it's sunny. Great big sun in the middle of the sky. It's sunny. And period is already done. And we are done too. Okay, this is part D, and part D just says look and write. So we're going to take a look at this chart over here and just fill in the weather words for each day. Okay, we don't have to worry about was or it's. They already did it for us. We just have to fill in the different weather words. Okay, so pretty easy. Let's do it. Number 1, it was on Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. Oh, what's that? Sunny. It was sunny on Tuesday. It's today. Here's today way over here. Cloudy. So it was sunny on Tuesday, but it's cloudy today. Number 2, it was on Friday. Let's find Friday. Here's Friday, and that looks breezy to me. I think this is like wind blowing out of it. Let's write breezy, B-R-E-E-Z-Y. It was breezy on Friday. It's today. Today is here, so this is rainy. Rain, rainy. It's rainy today. Number 3, it was on Thursday. Here's Thursday, and that is rainy. Let's write rainy again. It was rainy on Thursday. It's today. It's snowy today. It must have become colder. And we are finished. Good job, everybody.